in the car with someone else this time.
Yeah.
I'm finally starting this without Josie.
Wow, that's a first.
That's never happened. It's raining again. It's always raining. Where are we going?
Ikea.
We're going to Ikea. This is my first time going to Ikea. I'm gonna lose my Ikea virginity.
That's crazy.
We're going to pick up Josie, and we have to drive an hour to Ikea because there's no Ikea close to where any of us live. It's an hour away. It's a rainy day.
Where are the lanes? I can't see them.
You honest to God, just follow the car in front of you. There's 2 lanes. It's the one going that way and then the one going forward.
And it's flooded here.
Quick!
My car gets gobbled in the... Oh my god, it's literally nothingness.
There is just nothing but water. You almost said...
Yeah. I almost said the name of a high school that I thought it was, but no, it's a cemetery. No, I think it is anyways.
No, this is a cemetery, not a high school. You know how I can tell? There's flowers on the ground. I'm wearing an Ariana Grande shirt.
Don't worry about it. Eternal Sunshine, March 8th.
No. I thought you were just gonna be like, fuck it, and drive on the red. I was like, well, no one's coming.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
We'll cut when we get to Josie.
Yeah.
And we'll not die. Hopefully. Transition.
Oh my god! We thought you were gonna come out on the other side.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, good, because that seat isn't damp. Oh my god, and you were...
Don't ever...
Okay.
We're on our way to Ikea now.
Wait, is your mom going separate, I guess, with Maria? Or Maria? Marie? Whatever her name is? Oh, they already left. Okay. What? I don't want to take Booch. Okay.
Maybe the fastest way is by...
I guess, but it was telling me literally 20 minutes ago that it was the other way.
Well, we're gonna...
It's literally a 10-minute difference.
This is like an hour...
It's a 5-minute difference. I don't care.
This is an hour-long drive. So we're gonna be...
It wants me to take...
space jamming the whole time.
Okay, you know what? We're taking 95. Whatever. I give up.
Drink it? What is it? Wait. I'm gonna have to put this here for the sake of me. Wait, I'm scared. I just got all of your lipstick in my mouth. You're fine.
I don't have lipstick on. This is really just my spit.
Boy, come on, put your lipstick on.
What is this?
Billie Eyelash, but I'm playing the playlist now. Oh.
Out of 10? What are you talking about?
I'm responding. We're
What
having 2
is
different
this?
conversations here. Oh
I
my god.
wasn't even listening to you. I don't know. Out of 10?
It's not that good.
No. I give it a 2.
Okay, it's gonna fall over.
Take it back. What the fuck is it?
Liquid IV.
Oh, we can't. I don't want to tell that story again.
I'm not going to.
I don't want to tell the story again. But here we're gonna shorten it for you guys. Josie and I went out and did stuff that we don't normally do. Not drugs. We went out to the coffee place that we normally go to, and the barista there was super sweet. It was later at night than we normally go. It was like almost 8 p.m. And we got a coffee, loved it.
Tell them the whole story.
I won't tell them everything. I'll just tell them everything that we drank. We drank our coffee that we got. Then we drank another coffee that the barista made for us because she's like, do you guys want to try this? And we were like, sure. And then we also drank water that the other barista gave us for free. And then we shotgunned an energy drink. And then we felt violently ill, and I was up until 4 in the morning. Now she's drinking liquid IV because we are not well. But anyways, don't drink 3 things of caffeine and also shotgun a fucking energy drink. So, learn from our mistakes. Would I do it again? Probably, but I would not drink all that caffeine beforehand.
I mean, it was kind of fun, honestly.
It was so much fun until we felt sick. So that was fun. We're gonna get fucked. That's good.
I literally clenched my jaw.
Anyways, this is gonna be a long drive, so we're gonna be checking in consistently, and it's just gonna be the fucking car ride.
Yeah.
Yep.
20 minutes later.
We almost got in the wrong lane. We're still in the wrong lane.
Okay.
That's okay, he says. There's barriers.
It's whatever.
We're stuck here.
The worst thing that'll happen is my it's so you can't get in here.
It's so you can't get in here, and so we can't get out.
Wow. That's
And
crazy.
she was right.
Good thing we're not in that now. That is crazy.
John F. Kennedy.
We're halfway there, guys.
A few moments later.
You guys will never guess that the rain is slowing, but there's another accident.
Oh my god, I just noticed. What the fuck?
Yeah, the rain. You
We
don't.
changed biomes. It literally stopped like that.
How are you feeling right now?
Okay.
Poor Josie's like cut off in the back.
So it's just not raining.
Oh my god, a sandwich looks amazing. That looks so delicious. I want Dungelskog, or whatever his name is, the bear. Or a shark.
I think I might get the short.
I say this like I have money to spare.
It's kind of expensive for a booch, but it's a one in a lifetime.
But also, how big is it? It's a once in a
And you're not
lifetime
paying for shipping since we're
opportunity.
there.
It's a once in a lifetime opportunity to get a stuffed shark from Ikea.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm paying for my own shit.
I'm paying for my own shipping, which is driving an hour to an Ikea.
It's okay.
And then shipping us back.
Suddenly,
Ikea.
We are literally in front of Ikea.
Almost died 3 times.
We almost died
The
maybe
car
4
drove for
times.
me for like 2 seconds here, 2 seconds there. Now I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
I still, honest to God, think I need to throw up.
I still don't feel good.
I feel like I need to
I'm
just.
not well. I'm not normal.
Where the fuck is he gonna go? I am so.
Yeah, we gotta like turn right and then left.
It's good. It's like I feel like I'm getting hydration, but like I don't love the flavor.
I'll just wait for the light. Are you serious?
I hate
I
this.
mean, the people don't know the rules. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Evade. We're gonna play evade.
We're gonna play Evade in real life. I got into a car accident with this song.
Flags.
We're here.
Alright.
Oh my god, oh my god. I feel like I'm walking to Disney World. Like how Julian still has his wipers on.
Sorry about that.
Oh,
I think no.
I
there's
know. I thought that was a spot. Is
I
that a
She was
spot
like,
up there?
no. I think so.
is that one?
Oh my god, it is.
That guy's a boat. We found a spot. Okay, we did it. I look so white. Do you see this? I'm about to lose my Ikea virginity.
Okay, this is the way.
Okay, this is.
Okay.
I do.
Oh, I have gum.
What is happening?
We're donating gum.
We're donating gum to me, the poor one.
Which one? Which flavor do you want? Do we both have the same flavor? I'm kind of running.
Green.
Y'all got
I'm running
green?
low.
I will take one of each.
Wait, I don't know if I brought my gum.
Are you serious?
Oh no.
Can I
Guys.
have a gum?
I'm running low. Do you not have it actually?
Do you not have it actually like it's a fucking problem?
I only have my Trader Joe's mint.
Okay, here.
Yay!
You want my Trader Joe's mint?
You want my gum?
How many do you have left?
Literally 2.
That's okay.
Her shoes. Is it the It's so magical. Why are we here?
I gotta get some organizers.
Furniture for her house.
Yeah. Hold this. It's recording, by the way.
Oh. Hi.
I'm looking around and everything because I really like
Yeah.
Purse is more wet than my pants. Aye. All right. Well,
Okay, so
ready to go.
I don't know where to start.
We have to go to the elevator.
Go up.
Well, we kind of did. So, elevator time.
It's already broken. It's literally broken.
So much stuff happening. Wow. I don't know what to do. It's very crowded at Ikea. Foods?
We start here. Follow the
Okay.
arrows.
Follow the arrows. There are arrows. There's the shark. I just saw a man carrying the shark. We have to go get the shark. I'm like really scared to be here.
There's a bunch of hair.
Ew, I see that. What child is that one got their scalp ripped out?
Literally on both wheels too.
How is this place real? How is Ikea even real? This is, I need this. I need this in my life.
The fun part is like going inside and like looking up.
I want to go to there.
This isn't like yeah.
Okay. Guys,
Yeah, it's literally
we can have wine with little cheese. Oh look, a seat for Raul. Mirror.
Not the juice spot. This is literally oh, outfit challenge. 35 for.
My pants are soaking wet.
What was inside that one? Yeah, it's a
Nothing. Oh, this is a cute bed. It's in the closet. The light turned on. A worker just took the cart.
No, a regular one just took my cart.
Well, at least you didn't leave your water bottle in it.
Separation anxiety from my cart. I didn't need it anyways.
Yeah, we don't really need it now.
How do you feel about being back in Ikea?
It feels nice.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I touched the bottom.
I'm be somewhere where I like my feet on the floor.
Is it nice? Is it comfortable?
It's yeah, I guess it's kind of got memory foam.
Okay.
I don't really know. Your turn.
Up.
I mean, it's like a chair, but it's a nice chair.
But it's a nice chair. Oh. That is nice. But they call them something else.
Now what do? We don't have a cart.
It's okay. We don't need a cart. We just need arms to carry whatever.
I can't wait for the end part because that's where all the pallets are. Like it's downstairs towards the checkout, and it's like the huge. The ceiling goes
It's like floor to ceiling.
like high,
Interesting. Of just
Oh.
pallets, so we can build a fort.
Search products.
and it'll be.
Oh my god. Well, we lost the cart.
Oh my god, it's the head again with the headphones. That's what it is.
Where are we?
See what I know.
Wait, that's a banger idea, dude.
Whoa, and then I can hang up. I can hang up.
That's so shocking to him.
Can I put my shoes in here?
You probably could. You have two pairs.
Wasn't two.
Your favorite and then your least favorite.
My happy place.
My happy place. Do it.
No.
I love this cake and it's not even real. Someone took a bite out of it. Guys, someone took a bite out of the cake.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's the pantry.
It's the pantry. Okay. It's not gonna work. He took the shower head off. I can't turn it off. This is so short. Okay, for reference, I'm 5'4".
It's literally, that's crazy.
This is like the perfect height for me, but also the worst
How
height.
is Josie gonna shower? How am I gonna shower in
I'm
that?
getting at that. I want you to stand next to me in the shower.
That's crazy. It's breaking.
Give us our privacy.
This is literally as hell.
Don't shower with her. Don't shower with her. She'll block the water.
Oh my god, it's rainbow. They changed colors. They're the pastel. I like that.
$40.
$40.
I wish I could just take a nap in a bassinet and be
That
done
looks
with my
cool.
life. I said guys, and then she ran away. He's so
Ew, he's so derpy.
He's sitting in the chair. Right here, Julian.
Josie, I think it's tough. Look how he's sitting. It's
If you're cold, they're cold.
So nice.
I'm holding mine like it's my baby. Like,
I don't know because he matched really good with my room. But
well, I kind of want to leave this and walk around and then
Yeah,
decide if I
let's
want to
come
come back.
we'll come back. I'll leave it for now.
Yeah, we can come back.
You got that little bud. Leave him.
I'll come back for you. Please.
We're really gonna hold that?
I mean, last time she let something go, she kind of lost it.
I don't support the deal losers.
Yeah.
Then take the cinnamon roll. Where are we gonna put it?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
I really want a cookie. Julian,
Put it on the tray.
that's actually disgusting.
They cleaned it though. Put it on top of the bread, I guess.
Where? Oh shit! I didn't get it. I need utensils.
Are you?
Oh,
I can't wait.
it's so fake.
Don't worry about it.
It's really hot. Take your cinnamon roll. Take it. Cute.
The peas.
It's shitty
Don't put them back on my face. Don't put them on the table.
Yum yum.
You've gone to Ikea if you haven't had meatballs.
I want the one with the flag. Here, we'll just... Meatball. Never had one before.
It's so good.
I'm scared. Is it just a sausage but a circle? My throat's dry.
You want some of my liquid IV?
Sure. It's gonna taste terrible.
I know it's not good.
Give me a bite of the cinnamon roll. Little bite.
It's yummy.
I want the center.
Yum yum. Ew, it scrolls through like a grandma.
I'm never doing anything like that. Oh my god, you took the whole center out.
Don't look at that.
Guys, I don't want to eat the rest of this.
Are you serious?
Oh my god. The guy who gave us the cake thought we were dating. Again.
He gets 2/3.
She gets 1/3.
That's just how it works.
Did you hear me start laughing uncomfortably? I was like,
Yeah. I just get my other half. Another one.
her own slice. All right.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, I got the whole butt. That's good. I still can't believe that guy thought we were dating. This is 3 times now.
Within like
It hasn't even been a month. It's literally been 2 weeks. What the hell? Look, it's...
I didn't even get that, I don't think. We
I
haven't
think
watched
he
that.
did. It's gone. It's on the floor.
I am like overwhelmingly lost and scared. This is like the labyrinth. This is the labyrinth.
I didn't even notice. I was like, where is it?
So that was Ikea. I've never been before today. That was a experience of a lifetime.
What's the name of that song?
Murder on the dance floor.
I'm just really gonna look that up.
Take me home.
Oh no, we have to go to Josie's house first. What is it?
Say my address.
We'll
You're
bleep it out.
doxing me.
Part 2 maybe. With the other one.
With a special guest. Part 2 with a special guest. Possibly. Hopefully. Maybe. We'll see. Who wants to do the outro?
Do we even? No, I don't even know.
I don't even know what we do.
We just gotta go. What?
Oh, I'm too far away.
Oh,
Unless I throw
alright.
something. Unless I throw.
next one. Bloopers.